Kani kadai Darshan Meghalaya, but ni pilihan snobhai pi baro syakatuk kubor jengi mentaka janmit. Pada syua bangin pasya ki kubor ki babaniak ngini petsuai ki mat bakongsan. Ka Jylliew baar jongki menteri na ke jela kathan chatai lamingi bakmi ya kapnat Geological and Mining kelas dang mentaka smi ha Mayfair Resort Sonapur Guwahati. Beliau Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew artli ki office building ke Community and Rural Development Block Haribhoi. Kadai ke jing bakla jong ki bor badai kmi ke Assam balami ke jing ki ha ke senong lapangap ong usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew ubak Preston Tensong. Kai Muay Thai na Meghalaya ha ka Asian Championship da ka bayok khur hadu shipotli kita kema kentobia artli kita kema rupa bat pratli kita kema renong. Ka Jylliew baar jengki menteri kathan chatai lamingi bakmi ia katna Geological and Mining kelas dang mentakasngi ha Mayfair Resort Sonapur Guwahati ha ka balai wan banishim mentalang daki nong mikmat na pratli ki Jylliew kathan chatai lamingi. Ka phang padeng jong kani ka Jylliew baar sngi kalong ban penkubor ya kathan chatai lamingi lingba ka jingti ya ki marpo kendo ha ka rukom ka bamkta ya ka mariang. Hagani ke Jylliew lawan yang sementalang ru da Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew Assam uhimanta beswa Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng bakmi ya katnati marpo kendo bat doyong uji Kishan Reddy Menteri kena ke Sarkar Pedeng Satish Chandra Dubai bat ka Menteri bakmi ya katnat Mining and Geology jong ke Jylliew Meghalaya ka Dr. Amperin Lingdo bat kiwei. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khobor Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng ready ula banjur halor ke jingyeng persya jong ke Sarkar Pedeng ya ke jingti bean ya udoyong da ka bapen pauru halor ke jingja basngusi badangshan hadima hasau.
All mining blocks को proper action होना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया यही बार-बार हर स्टेट्स को देश भर में हर स्टेट्स को यही डायरेक्शन देते हैं और बार-बार जो भी इंसिडेंट होता है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से बातचीत करते हैं. मैं आज बताना चाहता हूं देश में बहुत अभी इलीगल माइनिंग कम हुआ है. अभी जो भी छोटे-छोटे जगह हो रहे वो भी कम होना चाहिए. इसमें पूरा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का सहयोग होना चाहिए. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का हाथ में ही रहते हैं. लैंड ऑर्डर इलीगल माइनिंग लैंड ऑर्डर बचाना इलीगल माइनिंग बंद करना स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में है.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew konrot ke sangma hinen ke sngi ula plepat ba ya artli ki office building bathmai ke Community and Rural Development CNRD block ha ka snong lom dat kla bat ha umling. Ya ka jing play ya ka office building ka bhoi rembong CNRD block la ai buram bat play da usipai bala shongthad uba kolbat shadap bat hadien kane la plepat saya ka office ka umling CNRD block. Haga ni ka jing let play ya kita ki office la senran lang ya Menteri Rangba da UAT Mondal bat ki MLA ka thai baki bakan thop ya uba daman bat lamare uba Charles Marngar u Dr. Celestine Lingdo bat uba Meral Bonds im. Nagaliang Menteri Rangba ke Jylliew ula pentikena baka sorkar kanya tray shitom ban kentiu ya karoi kapar hakis nong gitau. Ula penpauru balamang sanspa klur tingka ban penyar ya kakat lengsoin ha umroy bat ya thuru baka jing pentrei ya ki office jong ki saupun retli ki CNRD block ha baro akawai ke Jylliew kadang ya chakmat lingba ka jing penlut ka bakot syaka shispa live pesan klur tingka.
I thank God for that opportunity, for being able to make this difference. I thank our minister and our officials who have worked tirelessly to make this happen, and today we are in the process of inaugurating many blocks. It will be a project of close to 500 crores, and once this airport expansion is done, we will be receiving aircrafts directly from all the metros. That means all airlines.
Hadian ke jingmi jingklumar badang shen ha kasnong lapangap kabadon ha ke jaka kaput ha padeng ke Jylliew Meghalaya bat Assam usimbut menteri rangba ke Jylliew ubak prestun tensong uloong bakadei ke jing bakla jong kibor badai pet ya ke Assam bakim a jing tip halor ke jingwan thung ding ha ke ni ke jaka kabadang ha ban ya penbet katkum ka MOU balai soi ha padeng kini ki artli ki Jylliew haswa banle ya kum ke ni ke kam ki don kam bandaya keren bat pentip shwa Ubak tensong ulam penti kena ba ke jinglong jingman ha ke ni ke jaka kala jai bat kala nakaliang ke Jylliew Meghalaya kan saai da ke jing thok ban persya ya ke ni ke jingle.
Now it is cool and calm. I've already instructed the district administration to be more vigilant, and not only that, to be always in touch with the counterpart from Assam. I think it was a slight mistake from their side, from the counterpart side, because they did not inform on district administration. In fact, the MOU side mutually agreed between both the states in any places which is differences continue. Any developmental activities, be it plantation or be it construction or whatever, this has to be mutually informed.
Kayeng kasyari jong kasyalong kod kala aipor henrius ni yaki pulit ban tokit yaki laingut ki brio ki basyak keno don kti ban pendam bat buri yaki sakhi satar ha kabaidai bat ka jingja syak penyap ya uraja Raghuvanshi. Kini kilaingut ki kentup ya Ulokendra Singh Tomar ubadai Nagwalia bat utrayeng jong ka flat bas kasonam kalayo banri unong penwayeng usilom James bat security guard ubalbir akhirwar ubajukhat da ubalu. Katkom ka jingatu jong unong yasraj an ka sorkar utushar chanda uloong bakini kilaingut ki don kti ban yarap buri ya ki sabut bat ki sakhi satar ki bakongsan.
Then Lokendro and this Balbir, they were produced before the Honorable Court today, and all the three accused were remanded to police custody for 6 days. Police sought for 8 days, court has granted 6 days police custody.
Kum kadak ban rakhe ya ke International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ka Press Information Bureau Shillong ringkat ke jingetrelang bat ka Custom Preventive NER Headquarters kila penlong ya ke jingekren bakirpang lingba ka media bala tip kum ka warta ya ka bala penlong ha CGST Hall Shillong. Haga ni kajing keren layo ia kajing pensyai babnya na uba Spencer M. Milliam ubadai Joint Commissioner of Customs ubala banjur halor kajing nangkiu jong kajing penonkam ia kathan chatei kum kajaka ban penpoi ya udrak. Kamtam ya udrak bala tip kum u amphetamine bala wanra na Myanmar. Haga ni kajing keren lawan ishimentaru daki he officer na katnat custom ki nong mikmat na ka PIB bat ki nong pathai kubor.
From analogy, right? So apple carts, if it's a full cart of apples and it goes from point A to point B, in between some apples do fall down, right? And some people do try to get and try to taste that apple, and then they may become, liking it, and then that's how the demand starts growing. So actually, though it was initially a transit hub, but because of so much drugs coming into the region, it being a transit hub has become, the demand has started coming up because of that reason. So of course that menace, as I told you earlier, that amphetamines are coming in such a huge quantity. So it will be a big challenge, of course, to tackle that menace.
La rakhe ya ke International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking how West Khasi Hills lingba ka program ai jinghikai bat pensuthu ya ki samla ya ka bala penlong haka school Anderson Higher Secondary School Nongston. Ya ka ni ka program la penlong daka office rekam jong ka District Social Welfare ringkat ka jinget relang bat ka District Sankalp Hub for Empowerment of Women ka Beti Bachao Beti Parao bat ka Theo Rehabilitation Center. Haga ni kasngi layo ia ka jingkren syapang ka jingma jong ka jingkerni di drak bat ka jingpen kubor ya ki longkemi. Nakaliang ukongsan haga ni ka program USP UBD marak ula penslor ya ki samla pulia bakin long ki ba syempang bat jet ya ka jingem ka babha bat ban kiar na udrak. Haga ni kasngi la penlong ru ia ka jingsap ya ki sap ki Hagan ke sengi lapan long ru ya ke jing sam ya ke sonot ki program tenrai ke jing ko bat ke jing tendiem. Haga waipat ke liang ke seng NPP nong ston kalau isno tilang hagan ni ke jing rakhi da ka penlong ya ke jing ko baper kum ke jing ko tho ese ya ko draw bat ke jing ko mare marathon na ka benta ki khun samla ka than.
It should not be a celebration, but it should be the observation and the reminder for each and every one of us. Because this particular menace is now hitting the society when it is something cognizable to us. But at the beginning, that's why I mentioned it's a society's menace. At the beginning, it is the family, it is the teachers, it is the students, it is the friends who can prevent it. Yes, these are the stakeholders.
Arngur ki dikhot jong ka Neutrap National Liberation Council HNLC udi barriers jerwa laifu arsnam karta bat uridor lingdo nong laifu snam karta kilawan man pendap wat hakmat jong USP ka Eastern West Khasi Hills uba dangsan keriem henen kasngi. Kini ki Arngur kila penpau bakila syak ya lambakla ha Samuel Walang uba ki pulit kidang twet bat penlut ya kapor hak tem ri tengen ka HNLC ha Bangladesh haduk khatsan benai ha ka bakila syak penankam ban rep kuai. Nakadaw ka jingdu jingkerman bat ka jing babi kila yok ban one pet biang sya Meghalaya ha ka apho tarik mentau benai ringkat ka jing penpau ya ka jingkwa jungki ban yadan benta langno bat ka imlang salang. Ha ka baydai bat kani ki pulit kila penti kena ban ai jing kershan pura bat bakin tokit menia yaki katkum kaan.
The two cadres who surrendered also revealed that they were associated with it. As soon as they were associated with the HNLC, they were assigned to perform menial tasks, like cultivation-related tasks, especially in betel nut plantations. And it was totally far from the cause of the organization's propaganda. As both of them were disillusioned and dissatisfied with the tasks assigned to them for more than 15 months in the hands of senior cadres of the proscribed HNLC, they decided to run away from Bangladesh on the 20th June 2025.
Ka office jong ka District Agricultural Officer Eastern West Khasi Hills kala penlong ya ka District Level Agricultural and Horticultural Crops and Honey Competition ka baarsngi hamairang. Ka Deputy Commissioner ka Kong Anita Kharpor ka long ka Kongsan haringkat ka jingwani Shimbentalang jongki ADC kata uba A Nongbri bat uba M Dingdo ka DAO ka Kong Andora Nongbri bat kiwei ki he officer. Ki nongrap nakaleng ka district kilawan ban pen I ala ki jong ki jingthung bak harukom kum ki jhur ki jhep ki sok ki pai ki sintiu ki skot ka ngap bat ki dawai kin bat. Kani ka jingakop ka long kum shibenta ban pen shlur ban penne ya ka rukom rap tinrai bat la penkut da ka jing sam ki khusnam ki surnot bat ka jing ithu ya ka jinglong kongsan jong ki nongram. Ka office jong katanat district social welfare ringkat ka jinges no tilang bat ka district administration bat ka district sankalp help for empowerment of women Jylliew kila penkut no ya ka nasha muk Bharat Abhiyan daki program halat thalabo Indo Sports Hall Jylliew. Hagas ngi rakhe ya ka International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ringkat ka Phangpadeng, a national movement towards drug-free India and breaking the chain, prevention, treatment and recovery for all. Kinong ay jingkran haga ni kasngi kikintop ya u ADC ka kong DV Lingdo u additional SP u Ishan Gupta bat ka DSWO ka kong Y Najar ki bala banjur ya ki samla ban don bentan lang ban yada bat ban penbha biang ya ka jingim. Kani ka jingalap ka yoi ya ka jing penyat ba shibnai lenter ya ki rally ki jing mare ki street play ki jing hikai bat ki jing yakop ba pher. Ka kai phot ban pinkala ya karukom thongkam lingba ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission kala jandap bat kala khmi lanti ban let ra hakmat ka kenhon ki menteri haswa ka shiphotarek unaitung la pentip u chief secretary uba DP walang. Ka komiti balalam khmat do principal secretary uba Frederick Harkongor kala penlong ya ka jingyemer jingmut ba bonsen ban yakren halor ka jingdawa jong ka seng bhalang ki ba kenthop ya ka seng KSU ban pinkala ya ka rukom thongkam. Ladap ru ban a ya phaliu jingmut ba ki riu shampang ki ba kenthop ya u chairman barim ka UPSC Professor Dr. David R. Emle ya ka ni ka kai phot bala pedap ban pinkre la khmi lenti ba on sala ban khmi bnya ha ka bakut jong uni ubnai.
As desired by the NGOs and in fact by the Khasi Students Union, that MPSC needs a relook and perhaps some reforms need to be undertaken. We had constituted a committee which is headed by our senior principal secretary, Frederick Harkongor. They have sat multiple times and have taken guidance also from the former chairman of UPSC, Professor Dr. David Emle, and other experts. They are now compiling the report, and the report will be submitted in about 10 days' time from today. So we are hoping by this month end, the report will be studied, and by July, before the 10th of July approximately, it will be taken up by the cabinet.
Kum Shibanta ban pinpau ya ka jingkit kli ha ka imlang salang ka headquarter Directorate General Assam Rifles kala penlong ya ka blood donation camp ne ka sngi ha Assam Rifle Multi Specialty Hospital Laitkor Shillong. La penlong ya ka ni ka camp ha ringkat ka jingyas nok tilang bat ka Negrims Blood Bank halor ka phang padeng give blood give hope together we save lives. La sakhiru ya ka jing ais nam ai daki khat sangut ki he officer san ngut ki JOCO nyau pulai ngut ki shipa bat sangut ki riu pat ba. Hapok ka jingalam jong Lieutenant General Bikas Lakhera AVSM bat SM kani ka sinjam ka bu thong ya ka jingkular ka bala slam da ki sipai ka Assam Rifle na ka benta ka kwat ka khia jong ki pat ba bat ka kamram jong ki kum ki paralok baya jantam jong ki pat riulom. Sangut kinong yalekai na Meghalaya kilawanra yakanam bat kaburam da ka bakila yokhur shipotli kitakma kata artli kitakma rupa bat pratli kitakma rnong ha kalempung Asian Muay Thai Championship arhajar apusan kabala pelong ha Thai New Yen Vietnam nadu ka apoterik hadu ka apnuterik mentau benai. Kini kinong yakun kilami khmat na India hapo ka Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya balayalam da president ubalong ru coach uba Angelus Sun. Kini kinong job ki kenthop ya ubansa nam kerpang war khalo ha kathop 1,000 kilo u arston emsat sanpunyo kilo u teibok lang marbanyang sanpuwei kilo ka Mary Christine Riang 1,000 kilo bat ka Anita Rai 1,000 kilo. La priang burom yaki hanong po bat kini ki kena samla kila penkre yala dia ban mikmat nakajala ha ka Lumpung National Games arhajar arpunyo ya ka ba on penya da ka jela Meghalaya.
Jylliew kumang lakran mana bangin pelong da kap kandai ka selection trail kalong baik ka kenja ka Geological lani ka championship kaman selong hau Disember bangin jet iki bakan saitam na kamta belishim menta ha kate ka live hundai ka national game kaman selong hau arpo arpunyo
Mentang nya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sunmineng hatura. Ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, ka jing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau-hau kalong hinyaw pusan na ka shispa, pa ka jing hap slap kalong hinyaw milimeter. Habap hai pat shanong ba shilong ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, ka jing shed pat kalong 40 degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau-hau kalong hinyaw kendai na ka shispa, pa ka jing hap slap kalong 1 milimeter. Kat bah hajowai ka jing kriat kalong khat kendai degree Celsius, bat ka jing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau-hau kalong hinyaw punyaw na ka shispa, bat ka jing hap slap kalong 1 milimeter. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala ringkat ka jing tiru perthat hatura shlong bat jowai haki babuan ki jaka. Te paralok katung ila poi syaka bukut jong katuk kubor jongi mentaka janmet hadu bangine syambiang bat pi la syai kasngi kublei pi baro.